What's going on, guys? Back at another video today. Keep you guys updated with everything. We had our car meet on Sunday. That was very chill. That was very dope. For the Fiat, is still leaking oil out the back end, and it's leaking out oil out the wastegate actuator. So update. I have lost my camera person. So Happy is no longer in the picture anymore. She has moved on with better things in her own personal life. So no more camera person, no more second help. It is midnight right now. We're going to be doing work on the Civic. Now I got the water pump. It actually clears the frame. So I will pick you guys up and actually show you that right now. It's very exciting news. It cleared the frame. Before it was broken because it hit the frame. Put the turbo thing on there and put everything all together tonight. Then go home, eat some noodles and sleep. I did notice a kink up here. So this thing is pushed up and away, so it has to be pulled out and away. I don't know if I explained this before in the other videos, but this car was into a front-end accident where the lady had ran a red light, and this car took a really big hit. So if I'm gonna put you guys in here, you can see right there, there's another kink in the subframe. I mean the apron. You guys know me, I'm not good on these POV videos, but I was trying to do my best. I did assemble this off the car, and because this thing is still bent, I did scratch up the pulley just a little bit, but it's okay. We are gonna make do with what we have. All right, I just wanna include this little video for the Civic work. Luckily, I found this little tool because I realized I don't have my L keys on me. Tricky little thing. I think it's crazy how they have an electronic wastegate actuator. Like that's something different. So this will be it for this video, and show you guys a little snap after it. This thing is off. Little picture. Oh, there is a little screw that is going to be a little bit of an issue. I'm not going to get this car running, so I'm not going to 100% tighten everything down. But it's that screw right down there in the hole. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to take off the tensioner. I'm going to take off the tensioner so I can access that bolt later on. I just want to get this car buttoned up. So that way when I put it on the streets, it'll look like a car. Even if it's not running, it'll still look like a car. You guys can check out the other videos and, you know, leave it on play. Help out your boy. That would be appreciated. Definitely, so I can start getting some more parts for this thing, you know, like a whole entire front end would be nice to have for this car. So that's the water pump, and tightening it down. There's now like at least a finger of space, so it spins freely. No rubbing, no nothing. So water pump in. And let's go ahead and get the pipes and everything else assembled. You can see the old belt right here is just shredded. Master shredder. Alright. Get it. Okay, let's make our way over here. Nope. Yep. Let's get this thing out the car real quick. Alright, I'm gonna grab it. Bringing along the whole entire car with me. Alright, so we got the turbo from the car. I'm gonna put you guys down and try to record as much as I best can. But off camera, we did get this squeeze in there. So just a little bit of lube. Slip right in the hole. It only goes in one way. This little piece right here. This little nipple. So I'm gonna try to get this turbo on there. Let's see here. Where am I gonna put you guys? Alright guys, so you've seen right there, a camera dropped and I just got frustrated. That was a very challenging task, and you know, I want to take you guys along the journey. It's definitely something that is not achievable with one hand and recording at the same time. Now what I'm trying to find when I talk to you guys is actually a bolt. There it is. There it is. And that's for that piece right there. So, to update everything going on right now, I do have the turbo on the car. I did take it apart because that's the only way you can get into that bolt. Being dead honest with you guys. They did not make this car easy to play around with and repair. And, you know, it's fine. I know my ways around it. This is like girls like mechanics, by the way. What they can do with the fingers, though. Things all connected to the best that I can around here. This thing, I'm gonna tighten that down with this bracket. So I don't know what time it is. I think might be like 2 in the morning. Just slowly picking at things here and there, here. Trying to remember what goes where. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm not using a 10 socket because 10 socket actually lost. Because it's on a ratchet somewhere. And I don't have a 10 deep for a 1/2 inch drive. I'm going to have to catch you guys when I get this bracket on there. All right, that's a wrap. I was just trying something out with this bash bar, and you know, to be honest, it's completely crooked. Level of discouragement is basically because these two aprons are completely trash, front and left. So I'm gonna need the whole entire front end. That I knew what I was getting into when I started doing this. So that has to get replaced. That's how it looks right now. I'm gonna get the fenders next time. I'm not gonna do any car work tomorrow. I was, but like I said, I feel a little discouraged with this car. Maybe even get the radiator put on there. There's no radiator, but I do have it at the house. Something else I wanted to add on to you guys. So if you've seen the unboxing video, you'll see that I was a little amazed about the water pump. And this water pump from factory actually is plastic. Like the rest of this 2020 car is literally plastic. Let's see if I can find it. Look at this. Plastic water pump, because they designed this car to shatter 100 pieces so you can spend all your hard-earned money on getting a front end, even if you have insurance. Although this car wasn't insured at the moment. But yeah, that's it for today's video. We're just gonna keep on keeping on, and hopefully we'll be able to get this car looking nice and cute soon. You can see right there, it's not even attached anymore. A lot of work. Let's get it.